Unlock the secret to pro-level photography without ever touching a camera, all with the incredible power of Nano Banana AI. Today, we're diving into how Nano Banana AI can transform your everyday snaps into magazine-worthy images. Let's get started. First, open up Nano Banana AI. You'll see a clean, intuitive interface. Locate and click the Upload Image button. Navigate to your photo library and select the image you want to elevate. For this example, we've chosen this image of bananas on a kitchen counter. Upon uploading, Nano Banana AI immediately analyzes your photo. Notice this smart enhancement slider. Dragging this to the right will automatically refine lighting, color balance, and sharpness. See how the colors pop and the details become crisper. This is the AI working its magic to bring out the best in your original shot. Now, let's talk about composition. Many AI tools stop at basic enhancement, but Nano Banana AI goes further. Click on Composition Assist. This feature offers intelligent suggestions for better visual balance. It might gently adjust the framing, like placing the main subject within key visual points, instantly making your photo more dynamic. For that truly professional, polished look, the background blur option is your best friend. Select it, and then adjust the intensity slider to control how much focus is placed on your subject. A subtle blur can completely transform the feel of an image, isolating your subject and drawing the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. For those looking to experiment further, explore the advanced editing options here. You can find an array of color grading presets designed to create specific moods and styles. Choosing vibrant, for instance, can imbue your photo with an energetic, lively feel. Experiment with these to discover unique aesthetic possibilities. The texture enhancement tool can add incredible depth, revealing the subtle textures that make your subject feel real and tangible. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, simply hit the export button. You can choose your desired resolution and file format. And there you have it. Why you're a professional quality photograph created in minutes with Nano Banana AI. Ready to impress? Start experimenting today and elevate your photography game.